Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import Excel into Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, you can continue signing in with your Google account, your Microsoft account, your Apple account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are good to go. Now, importing Excel data into Smartsheet offers several benefits because number one, you can consolidate data from multiple Excel files or sheets into a single Smartsheet, providing a centralized location for managing and analyzing data. Obviously, by importing Excel data into Smartsheet, you enable collaboration among team members, clients, or organization in a shared workspace, fostering real-time communication and collaboration because matter of fact, Smartsheet provides a version history tracking, allowing you to view and restore previous versions of the sheet. So importing Excel data into Smartsheet enables you to have a control, ensures that changes are tracked over time. Now, there are multiple ways for you to import in an Excel here on Smartsheet. The first one is just go to the left side panel of your dashboard. Now, from here, all I have to do is create a new one. Click on the upper right corner. As you can see, you have an option to import Microsoft Excel. Obviously, when you click on it, all you have to do is just select the file from the directory or the folder. Okay, let's do that. Once you've done that, click on continue. Right, as you can see, these are the sheet name, the column and headers. It's the same thing, actually. So this is going to be a preview of what the file would look like when you import it into Smartsheet. And if you're satisfied, you could also check the option if you don't want to include the formulas on import. Now click on this button. All I have to do is open this one, and voila. So it's the same process. It's a matter of fact, it's similar to Smartsheet. And you can tweak and customize all of these into this one. Now, the next option that we are going to explore is, let's save it for now. Go to the home section and click on create new. Click on sheet again. And let's rename it again for this type of sheet. Click on it and just wait for a little bit. It'll load up. And once you've done that, you can rename again the file here. Just go to the file section and obviously click on import. All right. And from the import file, click on the import Microsoft Excel. Let's do that again. And again, it's the same process. Just select the file or folder the Microsoft Excel is located. And once you've done that, click on continue. And it's the same process earlier. As you can see, these are the column headers, primary columns, and basically it provides automation capabilities that allow you to streamline the process and workflows, because by importing data here in Smartsheet, it enables you to control access and permissions more effectively. Now, the thing is, you can perform data analysis, visual trends, and generate reports to support decision making. And I believe once you're satisfied with the imported data, just save the changes to the Smartsheet. Now the imported data is now available for further analysis, collaboration, and reporting within the Smartsheet platform. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.